Everybody, it's Julio, the roadside genius here, doing the tire change on the Chevy Malibu 2014. What up? I don't know why I'm talking like this, but hopefully somebody will appreciate it. Check this out. I've already called the customer and tell her I'm out here, so she's supposed to be coming outside, but I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm just gonna get to work. Weapons of choice. You know what? I'm gonna see if this tire might be repairable, because I mean, I don't like that tread. I'm gonna tell her, I'm gonna say no repair on that one. We're just gonna replace, or put the spare on at least. There we go. Hello, how you doing?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm very well. You taking a nap?
No, I'm sorry. I just was in the kitchen. I didn't have my clothes on. You guys are quicker than I thought.
Well, thank you for saying that. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't know. I came home last night. My tire was fine, and then I just woke up this morning and noticed it was on a flap. I don't know if I...
Man, I can almost guarantee that you probably caught a nail or something.
Yeah, because I checked the PSI. It was all the way to a 1. So I'm like, that's not
I
no
lost it
cold
all.
wind or anything.
Yeah. Well, no worries. We'll get you taken care of here.
Thanks so much.
I'll give you a holler when I'm done, okay?
Okay, awesome. Appreciate it.
No problem.
And my trunk is really a mess, but
Just put the tire in there?
Throw that one in there, yeah.
I can do that for you.
Thank you.
No problem. I already knew that before I started. That was not gonna work. Two, 3, 4, 5 lug nuts. That didn't sound good coming off. But there's that, y'all. Everything she said is indicative of a nail puncture, but I don't see nothing. But I'm sure if I aired it up, I might find something. There's all sorts of cracks in this tire, though, so it's really not worth repairing. We're just gonna put the spare on. This is the spare we got right here. Nice. Put the spare in the trunk for the customer here. Just gonna slide it on in there. Go Go ahead and drop the car. And that's it, folks. How long did that take me, fellas? That was probably 3.5 minutes. I did have some help from the customer. She did get the tire out for me. That's rare these days, unless you ask. And now for the final step here. Air compressor on. Oh. I hate how tangled it gets. Little line. But we make it work, guys. We make it work. Oh, she's already good. Does not need air. And that's it. Air compressor off. Tools back inside the car. Make sure you push it in a little bit. Another job done. And now I'm gonna call the customer, say my goodbyes. Thanks for watching.